Official weight 145 for the champion. All right, I am here with the challenger, Holly Holm. Holly, this easily could be you defending this title. I'm one of the few people that thought, one of the many people rather, that thought you got a raw deal in the fight with Jermaine Durandamy. Give us your thoughts on what this fight means to you in your long and storied combat sports career.
You know, my fight with Jermaine, I felt like I did enough. However, I didn't make it clear enough if that's the case. So, you know, it could be my belt. It could have been this match at the beginning. However, that's not where we're at right now. I'm coming to fight for it again, and I need to make it more clear.
Good luck to you tomorrow night. Looking forward to the fight. Cris Cyborg, excuse me, Holly Holm, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with the champion, Cris Cyborg. Cris, this is your first opportunity to defend your belt. Give us your thoughts on Holly as an opponent and what tomorrow night means to you.
You know, I train hard, save me all my other fights, and I just come tomorrow to show who is Cyborg and make my best I can and leave God glory the victory.